Hi, beauty. Welcome back again. I'm your girl, Khadijat Ahmed. If you see me for the first time, you are highly welcome. Guys, I want to quickly show you a simple makeup you can do on yourself. A step by step simple makeup you can do on yourself. You can see I use concealer to fill the place and I blended it out very well. Then I'm going in with this nude eyeshadow. Look at the way I take that color. I think the color is wine color on my outer crease. Yes, I blended it out very well, and I also use that shade again to calm the color down because it's too sharp. Look at, yes, then I use concealer there because I want to apply shimmer on that particular place. Yes, I also do the other side. Look at, when you are starting applying your eyeshadow, start from that outer corner. Yeah, exhausted it there and bring the excess out so that the eyeshadow will not look too obvious. Look at, start from the back there, then and bring it forward. Look at, I also apply concealer there because I want to push shimmer. Yes, look at, I'm applying the shimmer. Yeah, my camera is not doing justice here, so I'm going to use another palette. Look at, it's a very small palette, very small and simple. Look at, yeah, apply that dark shade there, black eyeshadow. You can see my phone is not doing justice. Yeah, but you just have to manage it. Look at, and I'm going in with that coffee color shimmer. Look at, yes, look at, very fine. The color is not showing on this camera. My phone camera is not doing justice. You just manage it. Look at, I'm going in with that brown color too. Yeah, if you see this eyeshadow is very sharp. Camera is not showing how beautiful the eyeshadow is, and I love it. Look at, you can see I use three color. I use dark first. Yeah, I'll do the same to this one. I use black there, then and this coffee brown. So it's coffee brown and it's showing as if it's ash there. It's very fine. I love the palette. Yeah, I'm going in with that brown color. Yeah, brown, and it's showing good on that crease. Look at, I'm lining my eyeliner. Look at, yes, look at. So my phone camera is not doing justice to this my makeup. Yeah, I use mascara to arrange my eyebrow. Yes, very quick and simple makeup. Then I'm going to put on, I have this red cherry on my box for a very long time, so I decided to use it. It's just one, it has been there, so I didn't use it for my clients because I don't want it again. It's only human hair they want now. So this cherry has been there and I decided to use it on myself. Look at, before you put on your eyelashes, you look down. Look at, simple, very simple. And just put it on yourself. Look at, when you want to put on your eyelashes, after apply your glue, blow it, allow it to dry a little bit before putting it. Just look down, then you put it, adjust and adjust it to your taste. Yes, look at it. This camera is not doing me justice. I'm going in with my vitamin C serum. Yes, that is my vitamin C serum. I apply it. Yeah, Yes, I'll allow it to stay. Yes, I blow it, let it dry to your skin before applying your foundation. Yes, I'm going in with my primer. I blend and blend. Prefer using my hand on myself, but for client, I have to use flat brush to apply it. Yeah, yeah. I want to set my face with powder, by color shade of powder. Yeah, my color shade of powder. I love doing it this way because I would just want the foundation to stay matte. Look at, yes, I'm going in with this Ziggle foundation. Yeah, I miss the color. Yeah, I discovered the other foundation is better. It's more better than the other one because it's match my skin more, and I decided to mix the two together. Yes, yeah. I blend, blend, and blend, blend. Just take your time to blend it well. Yeah, you know you are going out for any occasion, start your makeup early so that you will not waste your time. Yeah, I'm going to highlight all these places with concealer. Yeah, a little bit brighter than your skin. Any concealer you want to use should be a little bit brighter than your skin. Yes, just keep watching. Yeah, I also use another dark shade because I don't want any harsh line there. So that it can blend it out very well. So I use a darker shade on that side. Yes. Yeah, I'm contouring it with a dark shade of eyeshadow. Yes. I'll blend. I'll blend and blend and blend and blend and blend. You keep blending until you get the consistency. Yeah, blend very well until you are okay with the concealer. Yes, it's my makeup. Very beautiful, but the phone is not showing the justice. Wow, I'm setting it with a setting powder. Look at it. I'm setting all the area I apply concealer with a setting powder. Yes, I'm not going to bake too much. I'm still contouring. I use a brown dark eyeshadow to contour those areas. Yeah, that I'm going in with that red color of lipstick as bronze as highlighter. Yes, I'll blend. Sorry, as blush. I say highlighter as blush. Yes, I use the lipstick as blush. Yes, I use I also use the dark powder. Yes, to apply on those areas. Just watch and see. To do voice over, it's noisy. Yes, I'm using powder to dust out the setting powder I apply. Yes, I'm setting my face with powder, my skin tone powder. Yeah, going in with that setting spray, Kiss Beauty setting spray. Yes, yeah, that is bronzer. That is bronzer. Yes, also apply other inner corner of my bridge of my nose. Yes, line my eye with that black dark eye pencil. Yes, I'm also going in with this my girl that use that green color of eyeshadow to set my waterline. Yes, yes. Mm. It's so simple and easy. If you follow this step, you'll get what you want. Very simple. Yes, I'm going to mix those two colors for my lips. Just want my lips to be nude. Yes, I want it to be shouty. You can see I apply that dark color as my base. Yes, and also use this peach. Yes, this peach color. Yes, that I'll apply and match it well. Yes, look at it. This my phone is not doing justice at all. The makeup is beautiful than the way you are seeing it on camera. Yes, I have a very stubborn edge there. We have come to the end of the video. Yeah, thanks for staying to thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching my content. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate you guys. Please do encourage me to do more video because it's not easy. The strength in staying to make this myself up, it's not easy. People that is doing it time to time are really trying. And for watching to the end, I really appreciate you guys. Please encourage me more. Like my video, subscribe to my channel. Yes, thank you so much. I love you guys. See you again next time. Bye.